It's June 12th, and you're here with Chico's helping you with your call option trading. First of all, I just want to talk about GameStop. GameStop was something we made money off this week, and we don't have an open play on it, but yeah, it looks like it continues to slide pretty hard here after earnings this week, where it doesn't really have much substance on its future business in cryptocurrency or gaming. Carnifana is down today too, so I didn't really see any news about that other than Jim Chanos, the famous short seller, that talked about I think he's talking about betting against Carvana. I'm not 100% sure on that, but due to its high valuation. So anyways, it's we don't have a position on it either, but it's taking a hit. Now Adobe reported earnings after the bell, and I'm recording this after the bell right now. So today was pretty flat for them. We didn't make a play for Adobe because the strike price, the price of the stock, and to do one contract without using any margin is kind of out of our budget. So I left it alone. Anyways, it's I guess earnings will come out soon, and any minute probably, and I don't know where it's going to go. Probably not anywhere up, down, that far. But what did surprise me was Oracle. So Oracle reported earnings yesterday, and we did open a play for Oracle yesterday, and I'll talk a little bit more about that. But today they're up a whopping 13%, if not more at times. And after they reported earnings yesterday, they were about 185. It's like and before the bell today is like 190. So I thought that was not a problem. They had a good quarter. They just they beat the top line for revenue and earnings. But what really knocked it out of the park for them was that they're talking about their future growth, and the outlook is incredibly strong. So, but even then, it was so good that it was able to really move this half a trillion dollar company up by 13%. I was impressed, and unfortunately though that puts us in the red, and I'll talk a little bit more about that. But yeah, given all the previous weeks, all the companies were AI related, both hyperscalers, chip makers, and a lot of people were saying AI is going well, spending is strong, enterprise spending is strong, but I would never expect Oracle to have quite the outlook to drive up its price by this much. I thought maybe it could go up a bit, but not this much, maybe 5-6% or something like that, and we would have been all right. So yeah, now we look at the contract that we sold yesterday. We sold it at $1.51. And at the close of the bell today, it's $5.40. We're still holding to it, so it's putting a $778 loss on it as we speak at this moment. We'll wait until tomorrow. Maybe we'll close it out before the bell if we have another play to it. Otherwise, hopefully it doesn't continue to go up on us. But we'll see. We'll play it by the ear tomorrow. Unfortunately, this one didn't work out well for us. GameStop did work out well, and then AMD we took a hit on that too this week. So yes, we're gonna try and have to make a comeback from this one. All right, it's unfortunate that this has happened to us, but it's good for AI, and we're just gonna need to be confident in ourselves and get it back. All right, well, that's all I have for today. We'll catch you next episode.